What happens when you eat papaya on an empty stomach? You take a bite of ripe papaya, soft, sweet, and golden. Your tongue lights up with tropical enzymes. Instantly, your brain recognizes the signal, fresh energy incoming. Amylase begins to flow, breaking sugars right in your mouth. As you swallow, the papaya slides smoothly down through the esophagus like warm sunlight traveling inside you. In your empty stomach, it lands softly. No shock, no burn, just calm digestion. Papain enzymes start working, melting proteins without strain. Acids balance, mucus layer strengthens, and your gut begins to relax. Vitamin C and beta-carotene rush into your bloodstream. Orange gold sparks of nutrients moving toward every cell. Your liver filters and sends clean energy forward. Your skin warms with a natural glow, and inflammation quietly fades away. Inside, every organ breathes easier. Hydrated, balanced, renewed. This is not just fruit, it's nature's morning reset. Papaya on an empty stomach.